Hi, welcome to our introductory LightProQD screencast. LightProQD is a tool on the Precision Paragon P2 website at www.p-2.com that lets you model the light output of most P2 products in a custom-sized room and even calculate the number and layout of fixtures to reach a target light level. So let's get started. I'm on our website on the product page for our TKD LED Troffer Conversion Kit. On the Photometry section of the page, you'll see these little LightProQD logos. You can launch the LightProQD tool from any place you see one of these logos on our site. I'll select the 2x2 medium output fixed fixture with a 40K color temperature and the frosted ribbed lens. You can see that when the LightPro tool loads, it already has the IES file from the product I selected loaded in. LightPro defaults to this 3D view, but you can also choose a side view that shows the ceiling height and mounting height, or a popular overhead plan type view that makes it easy to see how the fixtures are positioned. Right here in the Luminaire tab, you can see the light loss factor. The tool defaults to 1, but advanced users can customize this. The next step is to customize the size of the room you're planning in the geometry section. Length, width, and height are all pretty obvious. The work plane height is the height at which your occupants will be doing their work in this room. LightPro defaults to the industry standard 2.5, and you can change this if necessary. The suspension length is the distance that your fixtures are hung from the ceiling. It defaults to 1.5 feet. If you're planning on recess fixtures, you would change this value to 0. It's easiest to visualize the work plane and mounting heights in the side view of the tool. Let's move into the plan view and change the size of the room to 40 by 40. As you can see, when we do that, the app automatically updates the number of fixtures in our layout. That's because in its default setting, the app is generating a layout designed to give you your target illuminance level. That's set by default at 40, but you can update it to your desired illuminance level, and as you can see, doing that will automatically update your lighting levels and fixture counts. The bottom left corner of the app always displays key information about your layout. Right now, with the minimum illuminance of 55-foot candles, our room has an average illuminance of 60-foot candles using 30 luminaires and a lighting power density of 0.68 watts per square foot. The last number is very useful to make sure that you're developing an ASHRAE-compliant layout. By default, the app considers the illuminance you put in to be the minimum allowable illuminance for that space. But you can change that to be a target illuminance, and it will find the closest illuminance on either side of that value. Or to be maximum allowable illuminance, and it will find a layout with the nearest value below your target. Instead of a desired illuminance, you can also target a specific number of luminaires or a specific lighting power density. If I choose a maximum allowable LPD of 0.85 watts per square foot, I see that I can go all the way up to 72-foot candles and still come in under that LPD. Those are the basics of the LightProQD app. It provides quick, useful data that would have taken a significant amount of work in the past right here at your fingertips. The reflectance, layout, and luminaire tabs are all fairly advanced, so we'll cover those in a more advanced training in the future. If you want to print and share your layout, head down to the Output Help tab and click Print Preview. You'll get a nice printable layout, and you can customize the title, description, for, and by fields. That's all for now. As always, if you have any questions about LightProQD or anything else, just let us know. We're more than happy to help.